Hello and welcome to this short video, an introduction to the Leader Zen series video noise measurement. My name is Kevin Salvage. I'm the European Regional Development Manager for Leader based in London in the UK, and if you have any questions concerning this presentation or any Leader products, please don't hesitate to contact me on the numbers currently being displayed on the screen. So today we're going to look at video noise measurement, and this feature is available on both the Leader Zen series LV5600 waveform monitor and LV7600 rasterizer. The video noise measurement is a software license SER30, which means the unit doesn't need to be decommissioned or removed from its installation and sent to a accredited service center. You can simply purchase the software license and install the software key in situ. And with the rapid growth of 4K, UHD TV and HDR productions, camera setup has never been more critical, especially in a multi-camera live production environment. So the video noise measurement measures the noise included in the Y, G, B and R signals of the SDI signal applied to the instrument and displays the measurement on the picture. The video noise measurement, also known as signal to noise ratio or abbreviated to SNR or S/N, is a measurement that compares the level of desired signal to the level of background noise. Signal to noise ratio is defined as the ratio of signal power to the noise power and is expressed in decibels. For complicated waveforms, especially non-repeating signals like noise, the root mean squared (RMS) amplitude is used because it's both unambiguous and has physical significance. So, with more and more productions now acquiring in 4K UHD TV and high dynamic range, matching cameras is becoming more of a challenge, especially if you're hiring cameras for an event from a third-party rental company. So prior to the implementation of high dynamic range, camera signals were adjusted into the BT709 color space. So we had, on the left, a scene with high dynamic range, a wide dynamic range camera, and that would output a BT709 output. Now, with HDR, more of the camera signal is visible. So again, we have the scene with the high dynamic range, but now we're capturing more of that information with a high dynamic range camera. And the consumer at home now can view more of that information with a high dynamic range display. So, if the cameras are not matched correctly, this will become very obvious to the consumer at home. And also, if there is any noise on the camera, typically this will show up in the black and shadow areas of the picture, making the image very uncomfortable. So prior to the introduction of the Leader video noise measurement tool to measure video noise, you had to take the SDI output and convert it into its analog Y, G, B and R components. And that conversion through a third-party product could also add noise, which means the measurements you've got might not be entirely accurate. But now, with the new Leader video noise measurement tool, you can connect the SDI output of the camera directly to the LV5600 or LV7600 waveform monitor, thus removing any third-party products that might introduce additional noise. So let's have a quick look at a video that we shot of the use of the signal noise measurement tool. So as I explained, it uses the picture display, and when we select and switch on the measurement tool, we get an indication on the right hand side that we now have the tool running, the area of the picture we're monitoring, the filters, channel we're monitoring and the results. So typically you're going to cap a camera so that you can carry out accurate measurements, and using the cursor tools we can position the area of the picture we're monitoring, and we can adjust the position of the A1 cursor and the A2 cursor to accurately monitor a particular area of the image. We can also use the track option so that we can move both the A1 and A2 positions simultaneously. As I mentioned, we can monitor both the luminance, red, green and blue channels, and this is indicated on the title screen on the top right hand corner of the display. We also have the ability to add low pass and high pass filters, thus giving you more accurate measurement of the signal to noise for your source material. And these are also displayed in the title bar on the right hand side. We also have a very simple graphic to show the level, and this can also have an alert level warning set up on it, so that when the camera's signal to noise exceeds your preset thresholds, you will get a red error message warning on the right hand side of the screen. Obviously that's quite small, and if you're working through a number of cameras simultaneously, we have added a display tool to make the font larger so it's clearly visible on the screen, and once again, should a camera exceed the threshold set, you'll get a red error warning message displayed, making it very obvious that the particular camera you are testing has exceeded the limits. So hopefully this short introduction has allowed you to see the benefits of the Leader Zen series and the video signal noise measurement tool. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. If you'd like this video, you know what to do. Tick the like button and also subscribe to the Leader Europe YouTube channel, where we'll be posting more updates on our products in the very near future. Thank you.